Hey, what's up? I decided I would do just a frequently asked questions. It's over time. Some of you guys have contacted me and just, have asked some questions, and there's some things that you really wanted to know, and I definitely feel you on that. And just so that I'm not really repeating and sounding like a broken record to myself. I decided to address them in a video format and just answer the questions really before you even ask them. Um, and I'm going to kind of scroll through. I'm going to be reading some of the messages that, not saying the name of the person that wrote it at all, but if you hear something that you asked, then you know who, if you didn't ask it, then somebody else did. That's all you need to know there. So, and I guess every now and then I can do a frequently asked question, video or session or something. Um, Maybe, okay. Do you still provide free signals in this group? Yep, absolutely. You can also, you'll be able to see some alerts, not all of them and not up to the minute, but you will see some of the, I guess, the more larger time frame, or say like a larger time frame of the hold, right? And then maybe a longer period to get in. So like when I have something that is, easier for you to get into, then as far as, the time, but such like gives you more time to get in, they're easier to get in and take you more time to set up, you know what I mean? And I come in, what I do is I find things that are going to be early. Okay. This is early when, let's say for instance, I have a bear wall run up. I mean, a lot of people are going to be saying, no, this is going to the moon, whatever this is doing or whatever. Um, Before it even turns, I'm already posting it. Um, I'm just like that early, a lot of times. So those are ones that you wouldn't want to get in right away. You have to wait for the confirmation. I mean, I explain it on the, below in the paragraph after the picture of whatever that, pair alert is. And it's something that has a little more time to it. So I post it on the page. Okay. Those that are kind of in between, yeah, you get in now, but you can, you don't, not now, but like you can get in now, but you don't have to get in now, that sort of thing. Those, are typically posted on, my FX book under Faint Toasted, 2 T's. That's me. You'll see, Wall Street Bull, unless I change it, I like to change, sometimes, well, yeah, I like to change avatars and stuff like that, profile pictures. I can't help it. I've always been that way. I like to change my place around and, have this over there and that sofa there and this, sometimes I change things around. Um, I do that with a lot of things, like the RC car, or like when I got my vet, I said, oh, I'm gonna start shopping and putting some stuff on it. Oh, that badge is black. I'll make it red. They can make car black and red. That sort of stuff. I mean, there's things people do, but I sometimes change my, avatar. But, yeah, you'll see that posted, my FX book. I like posting on there, because I love the way this chart functions. It's really simple, snappy. It's not like TradingView is, because it's just so much, and it's web based, it's desktop, like it does so many different things. The more indicators, I put on there, the slower move. That's why I don't want more than 5 indicators on a chart. They ask you, hey, you can upgrade, you can get more and this and that. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. That's just carry a lot of value for me. I hear you. I hear you. But, yeah, I mean, I would like to have, hey, more indicators. I'm thinking, I had TC, what do you call it? TC 2000. It was a trading down. I forgot. I think I got rid of it. Why did I get rid of it? So I ended up getting it again, and then I ended up getting rid of it again. See, I'm going down that road. All right. So do you provide free? Yes, I sent something. Up to the minute alerts. the up-to-the-minute alerts are on the Telegram. So the Telegram group, make sure you join there if you want up-to-the-minute updates. You want to, know if I'm having a cup of coffee, or you want to know that I placed the trade. Oh, did I get in? Did I get out? Did I screw the trade up? And a lot of times, I'm just too early in on the trade. I don't have patience. I just don't have patience. When it came to women, I had great patience. Actually, for some reason, I got like this phenomenal patience. Allow me to get the woman of my dreams. I'm telling you, man, she is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Think how long have we been together now? Maybe this is 2 years. I don't know. I gotta check. Maybe 2 years. All right. So, but yeah, yeah, girl, like a heartbreak. Like you see this girl in person, your heart is already broken because she's not yours. That kind of type. Yeah. All right. So next question. Nice, thank you. Nice, yeah. Oh, okay. I'm from this country, that country. Yeah, yeah. It's cool when you guys let me know what country you're from. I think that's awesome. Knowing, where you're chiming in. You know what I mean? We've got India, we've got France on the map, we got UK, we got America, where I am, Ohio. Get here, and I forget where it's another place, some other country that were named. Kind of faint in my memory. Let's see, question. I'm trying to scroll where the questions are here. Same probability. Da, 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 da. Okay. Let's click this guy. Let's see what he asks. Wait a minute. Oh, that's the same one. Oh, this guy. Let's see. Oh my gosh. These threads, you're talking too much. These threads are getting long between you. You guys, I can't chat too much. I love talking with you. It's so fun. It really is. But I can't go stay too long. I'll end up I'll end up talking all day. I have to make videos, and I have to keep this going. So the new people that are coming in and people that have questions. Golly, well, on the questions, I know I had these. All right. Why do you teach? What do you get out of this? Well, this is kind of something I kind of fell into in a way. I mean, well, because of my personality and just how I just like sharing, and then, trading is it's a lonely thing, man. You get trading. Like when I have a win, I want to say, hey, look what I did. I got this. Yes. Or I can say, oh, this market is crap. You want to vent, you want to say it. Oh man, today sucks. Oh man, how you guys doing over there? Oh, what happened? Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, and then I can talk, and I guess having that interaction. The more and more I got into trading, the more and more I would say, my life had to change. It did change. Less social, less out, and I have to say no. Oh yeah, hey, we're going over to this event here. You want to come? No, yeah, nah, it's all right. Yeah. And then people are asking, hey, where's Aaron? Where is he? Yeah. Oh, he had to work. Fridays I'll show up. All right, after the market closes. But ask me to go out on a Wednesday. You ask me to go out on a Monday. It's just not gonna happen, man. All right. So, and so I did this. What I get out of it, right now, what I get out of it is a sense of, um, it helps me organize my thoughts and what I'm doing, because my strategy was more of me just being me. You know what I mean? Like the way I was trading, the way, I was having winners. When I kept having winners and things like that, I wanted to know, how am I doing this? And, and then I would calculate, and then I could plan for it. And after a while, I just, my friend had noticed that I was making calls for these, like I was saying what's going to happen, and then boom, I was days ahead of schedule. Like it happened, you know what I mean? I was so far. I mean, it was like, I mean, GBP AUD, calling where that's gonna go. It's like, shooting the jump shot from like outside the arena and then go through the ceiling and then freaking hits the hoop. So, go right to the all net. That's kind of, or maybe backboard net. All right. So, I mean, I'm not gonna, I don't want to be posting. I mean, but I think that, it's just something that I got into naturally. And yeah, so, I'm here. I mean, it helps me too, it organized, but on the flip side, it lowers my free time, and it also, my trading suffers for it. My trading suffers for it. I was gonna, there was some trades that I wanted to do. It was a little bit outside of Forex, like crypto. And I wanted to do it on that platform where I like to use, the one I like to use the most. So, but that was showing, that was sitting at $115,000 or 97, I guess like 97 or so. And I went from 97,000 up to 141,000. And I think that happened in a period of 3 weeks. Was it 3 weeks? It was like 3 weeks, not 2.5. If I remember correctly, I'm gonna look back. But that was actually, that was me, doing, I think I did like one crypto. Like I was so tempted. I mean, cause when I see the setup, when you see the setup, you're like, do you know what it's going to do next? And you kind of just grit your teeth and you're like, I'm getting there. Like I'm grabbing, and cause you hold yourself back, and I didn't hold myself back. I was like, forget this. I took the trade. I shared it with the group. I took the trade and like, I think, and I made, it was like, how much was it? It was a lot, wasn't it? It was like $13,000 and like $13,100 in a few minutes. I'm trying to remember how long that trade was open. Was it 10 minutes? It wasn't any longer than 10 minutes. I don't think it was longer than 10 minutes. Just, I saw the move happening and I saw the setup and saw where it was going, and I jumped on it. It is volatile. I will tell you that. I think my drawdown, would have made your jaw drop. My drawdown was 11 grand in like 5 minutes. Then it went from negative $11,000 up to positive 13.1. I got out at 13.1. I mean, of course, looking at it, you say, okay, it would have gone to, I mean, it would have just flew me over 200K in that account. And I didn't want to do that because, I knew that, all right, when I do this, if I keep doing this, people aren't going to see the Forex trades. You know what I'm saying? They're not going to see, you know what I mean? They'll see crypto trades, but it's Forex group. I'm not going to do the crypto trade. I do it in like a different account or something. But a Forex trade, they would see like, oh man, like this guy is like, he's making all the money, and they can't see the Forex progress. So I only kept it to that one. I think I did one or two trades. I think it amounted to like 15, something like that. So yeah, it was like, it's crazy. I wasn't expecting a jump like that. Because I was just going to do it all Forex, and I just did one or two crypto trades. All right. I did 3. So, all right. You forced it out of me. I won't do any crypto trades on that account, but that thing was going, it would have been, oh my God, I would be pushing 500,000 right now. I'll do it in a different account. Yeah. Cause I didn't really do crypto, but I understand the setups. You see what I'm saying? The setup, when you learn the strategy, the setup, it can be applied to any market, any chartable thing. You can apply these, and you'll get good at the Forex, that you'll be able to just take it to, your indices, your crypto, and just kill it. I mean, you're just going to kill it. It's just plain and simple. So I don't know. I guess it's frequently asked question thing turned into just a discussion. I want to improve my trading. Can you help? Well, what happens is, I'm making videos. I'm making training videos that give you guys a lot of the basics. Now, I don't give the RSAI strategy, which is really the harmonic on another level. It's the harmonic on a totally another level. I don't give that. I'm actually building the course just so that show you how everything ties into what I do. That's everything that I do. And it also, I give these extra strategies. I give extra strategies on top of that. Strategies where you can make a good living for yourself. I think so. Let's see if I can find any other questions. Not take a lot of your time. I know you're always busy. News expected. Surely. Scrolling through this thing, man. Oh my gosh. This is too much text and I can. Oh yeah. And the other thing, I mean, I know you guys, some of you guys are mentioning, I think the second person that mentioned, something about oil. You know, I don't go outside of the Forex scope. I mean, if I happen to see oil and I think that, okay, I can put this, I want give me's. I want the, how do you say? I want the things that I know for, like, beyond a shadow of a doubt is going to work out. And this is how I have a high success rate. There could be some things going on in oil I don't know about. Or there could be characteristics of oil I don't know about. That just, you know what I mean? I can't be as not a guarantee, but I can't be like, okay, 96%, you know, a very high winning percentage. And on another thing, I haven't traded it. You see what I'm saying? Now, I've traded crypto, so you know what I mean? I know how it applies. I haven't traded oil with this. I haven't. I mean, I would like to think that yes, you can apply the same techniques, but sending me notifications of, you know, can you check out this chart or can you go look at, that's not fair for the other people. Okay. Taking away my, how do you say, my own trading or influencing my trading. I don't think that that's something I should, allow others to do because that's not fair for everyone else in the group. You know, we're running a socialist system under this free education, but until it ain't free, well, somebody's paying, man. I'm paying, but it's all right now. When the stakes get too high, I'm gonna have to charge. Oh, let me go to the top. Gosh, these threads are getting long. Found you randomly from randomly checking trading view charts. From what I've read, several day-long trades, swing trades, yes. Some you hold within a day. Yeah, yeah. Most of my trades are longer than just a day. You notice I don't give M30 or M15. Well, the reason why I don't do the M30 and the M15 notifications because they fail to have a higher fail rate, and I stick with the higher time frames because you can trade those several different times. I mean, I would take a call, all right, that says, you know, Euro CHF is going to is going 200 pips, right? Now you know that Euro CHF ain't going 200 pips straight there, right? It's gonna do what? It's gonna go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and the aggregate, right? It's gonna be 200 pips, right? You can trade that. You know, you trade that on the dips. It's going up. You know, you trade on the dips on the other way. You know, you're gonna measure your 382. Maybe I should talk about that. Well, oh, the 382. The 382 is in that's in the RSA. All right. Well, maybe I'll do a video on 382. So all this really wasn't organized before I started doing this because it's just I didn't think I was gonna be teaching anybody this. I thought I would just, you know, I'm just do what I do. You know what I mean? And eventually that happened. So I had to start really organizing and try not to miss my thought process. So this is why I do a lot of talking, because so that you guys can hear and try to understand my thought process. You know what I mean? Like, okay, he would do this maybe, right? He would do that. How would he see this? You know what I mean? This is what I'm doing, and sharing myself. It's through this medium, of video. Okay. Sharing this, and most of you guys are, trading on your phones, I know, like, you're just doing it, you're at work, and, it's tough. It's really tough. So because you're preoccupied, you have your family, you have your job, and, you have those things you got to take care of, like, get your car down to the mechanic, stuff like that. Little, little tasks, shopping, different things that happen, things when it comes for your family. And you don't really have that time to sit down and analyze charts. I mean, this is what I'm doing. I'm giving my life up, which is now nothing. It's just all I do is in the front of the computer, talking to a computer screen, analyzing charts and trying to figure out, making sure that I give you guys alerts that are going to help you, you're going to make money on. You know what I mean? I have to make sure that, it's my gut feeling that, this trade is going up or down or where it's going in the target. So, that's my sacrifice. But this frees you up. So right now I'm offering the first 100 members that are in here. So make sure you don't leave. Make the first, 100 members that are in here, they get free, because they're in the beginning and they're at the beginning of this, they get free, service and whatnot. So I did not say the RSAI strategy was free. You didn't say that. I don't know. It's going to be some kind of monetary thing. So much work. It's months and months. And I'm going to be killing myself for the next 2-3 months until January to make it happen. And I got to charge for it because it's just taking up so much of my time. But as of the moment, what I get out of it is I enjoy your reviews and your responses. I'm so happy, that you guys are happy with the alerts. I'm so happy that, wait a minute, I'm going to get through some other questions. Golly. We only went through, what, 2 people? It's got questions. Wait a minute, no, this one, he doesn't question, he wants to talk. Yeah, he wants to chat. I don't, maybe he does, wait a minute, he did, what trader platform do you use? I mean, I'm in America, I'm using Orlando. I'm trying to see questions. There's so much other chitty chatty. Bullbed ended F, yes, sorry, yeah. Did I catch this too late? It doesn't let me set from my phone. Oh, I see what he's saying. Yeah, the MT4 is a little glitch. See, I told you guys are trading mostly from your phones. I know. I understand that. Man, how did that trade go? I didn't even check this one. I'll write it down. How did this go? I said to sell back then at 82.93. That's the RJP one. Don't even remember that one. How did that work out? Did it work out, or did it get stopped out? I'm gonna check. I don't have my thing open. Yeah, maybe a little bit later I can go ahead and check that out. Anyway, if I don't forget. Don't I have a notification? Wait, I wrote down another. I'm going through 6 notebooks. I mean, thick notebooks. Gone. Just straight through them. So many notes. I mean, I can read it. It's like I can read a whole story back here if I go back far enough. Yeah, I don't see where I wrote that one recently. Sorry about the bang noise. Okay. This is already 24 minutes. Maybe I'll wait until the next time. We do frequently ask questions, or maybe I can, I can put them on the site also. I could do that. So many different ways. I have to help my friend with the report thing, and we're doing with this. I always said that I'd be there, so I'm doing that on top of this. I can't make too many promises because It's only 24 hours in a day. So anyway, all right, I'm out of here. Let's wrap this up so I can get this uploaded. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.